Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you guys about the print layout in Google Doc and essentially how to enable and disable it. As you can see here, I'm in a Google Doc and I have two pages. So essentially what the print layout is what I have on right now. You can see the division between like the pages. So this is how you see it when you print it, which is, kind of suggested by the name. So basically each page is represented separately. All you actually have to do is go over to view, and then here it'll allow you to pretty much just check off show print layout. It essentially just cuts out the spaces in between, so it makes it easier to read everything. And as you can see here, I'm just putting some text in. You can see as I fill up the page, the view gets bigger, and you just go back to here. If you want to turn it on again, press the check mark, and that's it. It's really simple to use, but I think it's pretty nice to have it off. It's just easy to see everything. And yeah, that's it. Hope you learned something new.